Hey guys, Cam here, and Nokia has released a bunch of new phones. All are Android One, which means you get pure Android Oreo. Now undoubtedly the star of the show is the new €749 elegantly crafted Nokia 8 Sirocco. It's a water and dust resistant device built from curved glass and stainless steel. It features a 5.5-inch curved POLED QHD display, a Snapdragon 835 processor, and 6GB of RAM alongside 128GB of storage. There's also a dual Zeiss camera featuring a regular lens and a telephoto zoom lens, both f-stop 1.7 to help low light performance. Next up is the €399 Nokia 7 Plus, which has this unique ceramic feel texture on the back. It's built from 6000 series aluminium and has a large 6-inch 18:9 ratio Full HD Plus LCD display on the front. Camera-wise, it's a dual setup on the back with a 12-megapixel main camera and 13-megapixel telephoto camera for 2x zoom, and there's an impressive 16-megapixel snapper on the front. It's powered by the Snapdragon 660 with 4GB of RAM and a huge 3800 mAh battery with fast charging. Like the 7 Plus, the €279 Nokia 6 is made from 6000 series aluminium. It has a Full HD 5.5-inch IPS LCD display and a single 16-megapixel rear camera with Zeiss optics and a dual-tone flash. The wide-angle front camera is 8 megapixels. Inside there's a Snapdragon 630 processor and either 3GB or 4GB of RAM, as well as a fast-charging 3000 mAh battery. All in all, it's a great-looking lineup for Nokia this year. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.